Class 12. Today we are going to start classification of colloids. Last class you have seen what is colloid, what is dispersed phase and what is dispersion medium. In colloids, the size of solute particle lies in between 1 nanometer and 1000 nanometer, and dispersed phase are the component of a colloidal solution which is lesser in amount and having colloidal dimension and are dispersed in a medium called dispersion medium. Okay, so dispersed phase means the substance distributed in dispersion medium in the form of colloidal particles, and the dispersion medium means the medium in which the substance is dispersed in the form of colloidal particles. Okay, and the colloidal system are also known as simply colloids, right? You know, colloid is a heterogeneous in nature, means the colloidal solution is heterogeneous in nature, and the size of particles in colloidal solution lies in between 1 nanometer to 1000 nanometer. Now we will discuss classifications of colloids. There are three bases for the classifications of colloids. The first one is on the basis of the physical state of dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Like in a binary solution, the solute can exist in all the three physical states, and the solvent can also exist in all the three physical states, and there are total 9 types of binary solution. Here also the dispersed phase may be solid, liquid or gas, as well as dispersion medium may be solid, liquid and gas, right? And therefore there should be total number of 9 types of mixture, but one of the mixture, that is the gas mixed in gas, is not a heterogeneous, it is homogeneous in nature, and therefore the mixture of gas and gas is not a colloid, it is a true solution. And that's why on the basis of the physical state of dispersed phase and dispersion medium, we have only 8 types of colloidal solution or 8 types of colloid, right? The first is solid dispersed in solid. DP means dispersed phase, DM means dispersion medium. You can see on the board. Solid dispersed in solid, it is known as solid sol, and its example is some colored glass. Second, solid dispersed in liquid, it is simply known as sol, right? Like paints, sail fluid, muddy water, these are examples of sol. Solid dispersed in gas, it is known as aerosol, like smoke and dust. Liquid dispersed in solid, this is known as gel. Okay, gel. The example is cheese and butter. Now liquid dispersed in liquid, known as emulsion. The most popular example of emulsion is milk, fats dispersed in water. Then liquid dispersed in gas, that is known as aerosol, right? The example of aerosol is fog or mist. These are the example of aerosol. Now the number 7 is gas dispersed in solid. If the gas dispersed in solid, it is known as solid foam. Solid foam, F-O-A-M, foam. And the example of solid foam is pumice stone. Pumice stone. You can see these examples in your book also. Pumice stone. And you have to remember the name of these examples. Right. Now, gas dispersed in liquid. It is only known as foam. And the example of foam is soap leather. Froth of soap. Soap leather. Soap leather. Okay. So there are total 8 types of colloidal solution, in which sol, that is solid dispersed in liquid. Second, gel, that is liquid dispersed in solid. And liquid dispersed in liquid, that is emulsion, are very important. In this class, we will discuss mainly sol, that is solid dispersed in liquid, and second, the emulsion. Okay, in this unit, we are going to take up the detailed discussion of 2 types of colloidal solution. One is sol, that is solid dispersed in liquid, and other is emulsion. Right. Now, on the basis of the nature of dispersion medium, on the basis of the different types of dispersion medium, we also give some special name to the colloidal solution. See, here we write first dispersion medium, DM, or here the name of the sol, means name of colloidal solution, name of sol. Right. If the dispersion medium is water, what will be the name of colloidal solution? Aquasol or hydrosol. Is aquasol, you can write, and hydrosol. Hydrosol. कुछ बच्चों ने कहा था कि सर थोड़ा छोटा छोटा आप लिखते हैं, इसीलिए मैं थोड़ा बड़ा ही लिख रहा हूं, फिर भी छोटा हो जाता है। एक्चुअली आप उसे लैपटॉप में या कंप्यूटर में देखेंगे तो ज्यादा बेहतर दिखेगा और थोड़ा सा शार्पनेस बढ़ा करके दिखाई देगा। क्योंकि आप लोग you watch my video on your mobile screen and the screen is very small, that's why the word also looks very small. So I request you to watch the video on your laptop or on your desktop. Okay, so it is known as, if the dispersion medium, something is dispersed in water, known as aquasols. Something dispersed in alcohol, means if the dispersion medium is alcohol, known as alkosol. 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 And something dispersed in benzene, something dispersed in benzene, known as benzosol. 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 Similarly, something dispersed in gases, you have seen here the solid dispersed in gas, liquid dispersed in gas, these are known as aerosol. Aerosol. Right. So these are the special name given to the colloidal solution on the basis of the name of dispersion medium. In next video, we will discuss the classification of colloid on the basis of the nature of interactions, types of interactions between dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Thank you. Good night.